Let's unbox the Geekoto G-MCR, high-speed memory card reader and storage device. This may not be as flashy as one of their new NC60B studio lights. Yes, pun intended. But it is something that I'm finding it harder to live without every day that I'm using it. The unboxing experience is pretty straightforward with very minimal packaging and waste. First up though, we've got this aluminum clip. They didn't say on the website how much weight it was rated to hold, but I'm guessing it's somewhere between holding onto the card reader and probably not holding my body weight. After that, we've got a quick little one sheet explaining what the product is and exactly how it works. But let's talk about the card reader itself. This thing feels solid. The orange rubber design not only feels great, but honestly, I just really like the vibe too. It looks really good. Not to mention, it's water resistant and impact resistant. It's ready to keep all your content safe. And when I say all your content, I mean all of it. This has space for 6 micro SD cards, 4 full-size SD cards, and 2 nano SIM cards. And since I don't use a ton of full-size SD cards, I've actually just been putting my micro SD cards into SD card adapters and storing those, which works just great too. At $49, this is a solid investment for on-the-go creators. This card reader works hard to keep your data safe while you're busy doing, well, whatever it is that makes you internet famous. Either way, check out the links below because I know that you need one of these now. We'll see you in the next one.